welcome to another Shop Talk. Happy Christmas to everybody. Hope you've had a really cool break. I've had quite a nice break. I have been in the shop unfortunately, but I've still had a good time. A real quick one today. I'm going to do a Shop Talk, a little one today and a little one tomorrow. Tomorrow on the hinges. Today I've got something new from Banggood and it's a bit of a game changer for me, and I haven't seen these before. It's a bit of a controversial subject. I know some people don't like seeing me tap wood with a drill. Obviously you can do it manually, but let's have a quick look at this. This is a really interesting, fast game changer. Okay, so my normal process for tapping would be, move it along, we go in with a drill bit and then stick a tap on the end of a drill and just carefully go in, whoops, in and out very carefully. You use 2 drills and then you've got a really good tap here. And it is actually a very good thread. I like it, and I do it a lot, mainly on templates. Now, let's get the camera in on this. This is what I've just got from Banggood. So, now you guys may have seen it before, I just haven't. These are really inexpensive. I'm gonna get a set for metal and a set for wood. So these are just gonna be for tapping wood. And if you can see here, I'm trying to focus, you've got a drill bit just before the tap. The thread. So let's check this out, how quick this is. Turn this around. This is some oak. So if we go in here, I'm just using a really unpowerful screwdriver drill, and then let's check that thread out. It looks so tight. I can only just turn that with my hand. In fact, now I can't, so I'm gonna have to use that. And that's a brilliant, I mean, that is a perfect tap. To be honest, it's even better than my old tap and die set that I've been using. This is also the snap fit version, so you can just snap it onto your standard drills, so it's really cool. Now, I know there's plenty of people out there, when they see me sticking these on drills, there's plenty of people out there that really don't like me doing that. Now, I know that you can put it manually. I find when you use the manual, there's more wiggle, especially in wood. Find it easier to hold a drill straight. And now with these, they are just instant. I can't remember what they were. It's about £2 or £3. I'll put a link in the description for these. These also come from Banggood. I've got a second set. I've already had an older set. I've got a set just for wood, because you find that over time in metal, your threads get a little bit more stressed at the edges, so you get a cleaner cut. So now I have a wood set of taps and a metal set of taps. Now I will be trying these on some aluminium, on the aluminium profile that I do, but I'm going to use another set. So when I get those through the post, I'll show you how that was. So just a real quick one for Christmas. I don't know what you guys got, if you had got some presents. If you look at Instagram, my wife got me this. I am really, really excited about it. I've got to be honest. I've tried it. It's awesome. I think it's called a jackrabbit. I've always wanted one. We was in the States and we managed to import this from Canada, so it wasn't actually that much money, and the shipping was cheap and the Canadian dollar was good. So I actually got this as a real bargain, but it's absolutely awesome. It's got like a little blade there. So have a look at that another time. But thanks so much for watching. I hope you all have a really good New Year, New Year's Eve or whatever, and you've had a nice break. Thanks for your cool comments on some of the other videos. As always, see you later. Bye.